बच्चों, we now begin functions, which is supposed to be the most important topic for all competitive examinations, especially for IIT-JEE, where lot of questions in the past years have come. And to learn mathematics systematically, conceptually and rigorously, one has to have the knowledge of functions, dealing with functions and working with functions. The origin of function lies in the concept relation, that means the correspondence between two sets. If x and y be two non-empty sets, then a relation from x to y is a subset of x cross y. That means all elements of x can be linked with all elements of y, and in reality a relation could be any subset of x cross y. But a function from x to y is a special subset of x cross y satisfying certain conditions. So, we will give two definitions of a function. First definition according to the relation in terms of ordered pairs, and then second definition, the normal definition of function. So, the first definition, let capital X and capital Y be two non-empty sets a function f from x to y written as f double dot x to y is a relation, that is, it is a subset of x cross y satisfying. So a function f from x to y is a relation from x to y satisfying, number one, for every small x in X, there is a y in capital Y such that x comma y belongs to F. That means we have to choose a subset of x cross y for that subset to be a function, that there will be an ordered pair beginning with every element of capital X. That means there should be one ordered pair beginning with every element of X. Second condition, if x comma alpha belongs to F, x comma beta belongs to F, then alpha is equal to beta. This tells us that there cannot be two ordered pairs having the same first entry. If it is there, then this relation or this correspondence will not be a function. X comma alpha, x comma beta cannot exist in the function simultaneously or in a subset of x cross y. So you can see it from this diagram. Suppose you have x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, and here you have y1, y2, y3. Now suppose the correspondence is like this. Then this correspondence is a relation only, is not a function, because there is no ordered pair beginning from x5. If it is written as a set of ordered pairs, it will be written as x1 comma y1, then x2 comma y1, then x3 comma y2, and x4 comma y2. There is no ordered pair beginning from x5. Violating this condition or not satisfying this condition, so this correspondence will not be a function. Let us take another example. Now this time both big X and big Y have same number of elements. That means first four elements go to the element y1 in big Y, and suppose x5 goes to y4 and x5 also goes to y5. Now, is this correspondence a function? No, it is not a function because x5 has two images, or you can say x5 comma y4 belongs to F. F is a subset of x cross y, and x5 comma y5 also belongs to F. So F will not be a function, F will be a relation only. So once again, a function F from capital X to capital Y is a subset of x cross y, such that there is an ordered pair beginning with every element of that, and two different ordered pairs cannot have the same first entry. This is the first definition of function. We take another example here just to tell you. x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 and y1, y2, y100, and suppose all elements go to y1 only. This correspondence is a function because both the conditions are satisfied. There is an ordered pair beginning with every element of capital X, and two different ordered pairs do not have the same first entry. So this is the first definition of function. Second definition is very common, that a correspondence F from X to Y is a function if corresponding to each X belonging to capital X, let us underline each, there corresponds a unique Y belonging to capital Y. Let us underline unique also. So two things are important in the definition of a function, each and unique. Every element should have an image, and this image should be unique. We will define image in due course, with various terms on functions. So let us begin defining those terms. When F is a function from X to Y, then capital X is called domain, capital Y is called codomain, and if the ordered pair X, Y is there in the function, then Y is called image of X, and it is written as Y is equal to Fx. So Y is called image of X, X is called pre-image of Y. Now it may happen that some element in Y are images